Hey everybody, I'm Jason Smart and today we're in beautiful and historic Bishop Auckland, County Durham. Bishop Auckland was once the official residence of the powerful bishops of Durham. Unlike bishops today, these bishops could raise armies, mint coins and even collect taxes. They lived in Auckland Castle, just along from here. Get this, Stan Laurel from Laurel and Hardy, he lived here as a baby and he's got a statue somewhere in town. And Scarlett Moffat from Gogglebox and now a TV presenter, she is from Bishop Auckland. So click like, click subscribe and let's walk around the town of Bishop Auckland. Let's go. Right, so I've just parked up. Let's go and see what's in Bishop Auckland. Looks fairly quiet at the moment. So look what I've come across, the Bondgate mural. Decorate with flowers to celebrate Bishop Auckland's long tradition with horticulture. Nice butterfly, nice bee. Right, so I'm in the quite gorgeous market square. Bishop Auckland is a market town and it's held markets here for 800 years. Just look at some of the buildings around here. Now, that looks grand. Go to that in a minute. But these ones over here, they look a bit, I don't know, are the businesses still running? Like the Castle Bar, all boarded up. I don't think that's in business. These two buildings behind, the Post Chase and the Queen's Head Hotel, they look a bit, I don't think they're in business. Is this a sign that Bishop Auckland's fortunes are still on decline? I hope it isn't. Look at it, what a shame. Tell you, the town hall looks a grand building, doesn't it? Bishop Auckland Town Hall, owned by Weir Valley. Look at that up there. Environmental Award 1993. And just outside it, the famous red post box of the UK, but it's no longer a telephone, it's now a defibrillator. There you go. Can't ring anybody. And just next door, St Anne's Church. Can I get inside? That's the question. I don't think so. Nope. This gorgeous building is the Spanish Gallery. And again, part of the regeneration of Bishop Auckland, and it's full of iconic art by Spanish painters. But again, I haven't got time to go in. And you can see the influence still of the Bishops. There is the Bishops. That is the name of the local football club, the Bishops. Do you enjoy living here?
Yes, I mean I've been here most of my life, you know.
Is it better or worse than it was when you were a kid?
Some aspects it's worse.
Yeah.
Other aspects it's improved. All those buildings along what we see there.
Yeah, I was looking at those.
Yeah, they're all coming down.
Oh, okay.
He's going to put a hotel there.
Right, okay.
This is the old Roman road. Goes right over the far trees and carries on down to London.
And he was the chairman of that shop, believe it or not. And he was saying that these buildings, these ones that I was talking about that are closed down, they're going to be knocked down and there's going to be a hotel put there. To be honest, I think that's a shame because those buildings are nice buildings. So I mentioned Stan Laurel. Well, that was his actual name, Stanley Jefferson. And now it's the Wetherspoons. He's got his picture there on the sign for Wetherspoons. So the link is still there. There's the mining art gallery. Mining was a huge part of the life of many of the workers of Bishop Auckland. But I've got to say, it's really pretty around here. It is really, really nice. And I didn't know what to expect. One of those remembrance monuments, Korean War, First World War. Beautiful buildings. And then this modern contraption called the Auckland Tower, not to be confused with the Auckland Tower in New Zealand, which I have climbed up. This is the Auckland Tower in Bishop Auckland. Let's see if we can go up. I love these pictures here showing the historical significant events maybe that went on in Bishop Auckland. But it says here, Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, the power of the bishops of Durham rose to great heights. They ruled over huge areas of land in the northeast and granted special privileges by the Norman kings. They even held their own courts. They were powerful guys, these bishops of Durham. Oh my God, free viewing platform. Thank you, I'll meet you at the top.
Thank you, I've just been up the
All right. Guided service there. She's taking the lift because she's just been up, but I'm going to get a bit of exercise and climb. Right, look at the view. I think that's the Bishop's Castle. Look at Bishop Auckland from up here. How long's this tower been here?
It's been about 2019.
Oh, so it's fairly new then?
It is, yeah.
Okay. I'm guessing that woman's there for safety reasons. I don't know. Do people vandalise it or do people jump off? But that is a good little stop and free of charge. And there's even a little display thing. Oh, I like these lights. They're interesting. That was a good little visit, and that woman said if I walk through this arch I will get to the Bishop's Palace, so that's what I'm going to do. Tell you what, that is a good weather vane, isn't it? I like that. But I like those coats of arms emblems, they're really good. This is one of the best kept gardens I've seen. Mind you, it has been watered, but what an absolutely fantastic building for the Bishops of Durham. Amazing. Imagine how much power they held to have this building. Right, let's give a little bit of history about Bishop Auckland. The story kicks off in the Roman times when it was a major stopping point on the way north, but it wasn't until medieval times when the bishops took over that it really hit its stride. As the centuries rolled on, the town grew into a market hub and then it became known for its coal mining in the 19th century. At one point, Bishop Auckland was right in the heart of Britain's industrial engine. Coal trains, miners, ironworks galore. The railways boomed and so did the town. At its peak, there were 60 collieries in this surrounding area. But like many northern towns, the 20th century was cruel. It brought its ups and its downs. The mines closed, the railways scaled back, and industry faded. But Bishop Auckland has not given up, and in recent years it's been reclaiming its glory with the massive regeneration that I've shown you already. Let's go and have a look. Great church as well. I tell you, you couldn't sneak up on anyone with these things. I think I'll go on the grass. Beautiful. Right, that's the palace done, and actually this is the nice part of Bishop Auckland. My brother was telling me that it's like a tale of two cities or tale of two towns. Half of it is this beautiful historic district, and then the other half is northern town. So let's go and see a little bit of what it's like in the real Bishop Auckland. Again, it looks like a lot of shops that have either closed down or like this one boarded up. But Newgate Shopping Centre still thriving. Discounted shop there, sofas, mega discounts over there, savers. But it looks okay. It looks alright. But I'm just passing one building and it's in a really sad state. And it could be like a gorgeous building on this high street. Look at it. Boarded up, broken windows. What a shame. It's probably the nicest building on this whole street. Tell you what always gets me, there's like a barber's there. A baker's closed down, that's closed down, and then another barber there, and then another vape shop. Whenever I see all of these, I always think, wow, does the town need that many barbers, all in close proximity? Or another nail shop, there's a nail shop just across the road. what's going on there. They're the shops that thrive in these towns. Although Gregory's Bakers since 1850 is still going strong. Maybe I should buy a sausage roll. That looks like one of the meatiest sausage rolls I've seen. Nice. Right, just left that street and I've come across the statue of Stan Laurel. There he is. Look at that face. Right, I'm just heading back to the car, but this street just looks good, doesn't it? It looks like yesteryear of Bishop Auckland. Like the old shop front there of Howe's traditional fish and chips and the bay horse. It says there since 1530. So that's got to be one of the oldest pubs in Bishop Auckland. So that's it, Bishop Auckland. I really enjoyed it. I didn't know what to expect, never been here before, but yeah, it's definitely worth a visit. Nice place. Come to Bishop Auckland, County Durham. Till next time.